everyone, I'm Sonam from Pabbly team, and in this video you will learn how to automatically sync all the new leads that are available in your Google Sheet with any CRM software. In this video I am going to sync my data with MyPipeline CRM. So imagine that you are getting leads from different sources and you are collecting those leads in any spreadsheet software like in Airtable or in Google Sheets. Now you want, whenever a new lead is added into your Google Sheets, you do not have to manually copy this lead and add it to your MyPipeline CRM. It should be added automatically so that instead of doing this manual and repetitive task all the day, you can actually focus on important tasks like following up these leads by sending emails, or maybe you can communicate with them over calls so that you can actually convert these leads into customers. So just follow this video till end and you will learn whenever a new lead is added in your Google Sheet, how you can add the same lead to your MyPipeline CRM. Now the flow of our automation will be like, we will create a Google Sheet first and then connect that Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. What is Pabbly Connect here? Actually it is an automation and integration software, and with the help of this software only I am going to connect my Google Sheet with MyPipeline CRM. So after connecting Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, we will collect the data of Google Sheet. Basically, we will collect the leads of Google Sheets in Pabbly Connect, and in third step, we will then finally send those leads from Pabbly Connect to your CRM, and here I am using MyPipeline CRM. So this is my Google Sheet and I will be integrating this Google Sheet with integration software Pabbly Connect. So you need to type pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. You have to create your free account from this particular button. Since I already have an account, that's why I am signing in directly. And remember, the account creation is absolutely free and you will even get 100 tasks so that you can actually test this automation. So I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now I will click on create workflow and give any random name to my workflow. Let's say I will give it as Google Sheets to MyPipeline CRM. Okay. Click on create. And as soon as I click on create, you can see two windows are appear here. What are these two? Trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens. Action means do this. Understand with an example. When a sale happens, send an email. When a form is submitted, send a WhatsApp message. According to our use case, when a data is added in Google Sheets, add it to MyPipeline CRM. That is why my trigger application here will be Google Sheets. And the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you can see a webhook URL and some set of instructions are given here. So I need to follow these instructions one by one in order to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I need to copy this particular webhook URL and I will be pasting this URL in my Google Sheets, where you need to click on this extension, add-on, get add-ons. Here type Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay. So you need to install this add-on. I have already installed it. Okay. But you need to install it. I'm closing it. So once you will install this add-on, you need to again click on extension and you will find your Pabbly Connect webhooks here, and you need to click on here on initial setup. A box will appear here. It is asking for webhook URL and trigger column. From where I'll get these details? Remember, Pabbly Connect has given us this webhook URL. I will again copy it and paste it here. And what is trigger column? You can actually read the instructions, and trigger column is basically the last data entry column of your Google Sheet. In my case, my data is up to column D. That is why I am going to add D. In your case, it could be anything. So I'll click on send test and you can see what is written over there. Test data sent successfully. That means the data of my first row has been sent to Pabbly Connect. Let's see whether we have received this data or not. And yes, you can see Sanjay Sharma, the email ID and the number, the gender and all the sheet name also, everything has been received from Google Sheets and it is the same details. That means my Google Sheets is now connected with Pabbly Connect. And the second step, collecting Google Sheets data in Pabbly Connect, is also done. Now we will send these leads from Pabbly Connect to our MyPipeline CRM. That is why here we will be selecting MyPipeline CRM. Okay, choose here. And an action event would be, I want to create a contact in my MyPipeline CRM. That's why I'll be choosing this particular action event and I'll click on connect. Now you need to click on add new connection and fill this token so that you can actually connect this data. The instruction is already written here. So go to MyPipeline CRM, click on setting from the left side, and here in the business info section, come to the down and you will find the key here, the token here. Just copy it and paste it here so that we can actually connect both these. And you can see my pipeline is now connected. Now all I have to do is to fill all these details in order to create contact in my pipeline. First name. So basically I will have to fill the name of the customer which I have got from Google Sheets data. Remember, we have received the response in Google Sheets and you can see here is the name. So basically I'll have to map this particular name in the MyPipeline. How can I do that? All I have to do is to just click here, and from this Google Sheet response I have to simply click on name. And this is how you can automatically map the above data. And this is the special thing about Pabbly Connect, about mapping, that you do not have to manually copy the data and paste it here. And the interesting thing is, as soon as the new data is arrived in Google Sheet, this particular data, the data which we have mapped, will be changed automatically on every new entry. Last name, let's keep it blank because I have already mapped the full name. Sorry, I can remove this first name from here and I can actually map the full name here. So I am leaving both the above fields as blank and mapping the full name here. The email ID, again it can be mapped from here. Same with the phone number also. Map it. Address, not interested in mapping. Again the city, country, I am leaving all these data blank since I am not interested in adding these data for now because I actually don't require it. You can add it if you want. Now when I click on save and send test request, the data should be added. The Sanjay Sharma details should be added in MyPipeline CRM automatically. So let's go to contact section and you can see the first contact is Chris Harris. Now I am clicking on save and send test request and you can see the response has been received and the contact email is added. Let's check our MyPipeline CRM and let's refresh it. And you can see the Sanjay Sharma phone number, the email ID, every detail is added automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect from Google Sheets data. So what exactly we have done? We have integrated our Google Sheets with MyPipeline CRM such that whenever anyone is going to fill some data in Google Sheet, it should be automatically added in MyPipeline CRM. Since we have created this automation in Pabbly Connect, and now you can close the Pabbly Connect because Pabbly Connect will do its work in backend. Now every time someone is going to add the data will be added automatically in MyPipeline CRM. Here you will have to do one more setting. Again click on Pabbly Connect webhooks and this time click on send on event. Okay, this should be tick marked like this. That means now whenever I will add the data, it will be sent to MyPipeline CRM automatically. So let's test this once. So you can see I have just added my name, email and phone number. Let's refresh MyPipeline CRM and see whether the data has been added or not automatically. Yes, the data has been added. You can see Sonam Rai. Here is the phone number. Here is the email ID. That means our integration is working absolutely fine. And this is how you can actually connect Google Sheets and your CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt regarding this automation, please mention it in the comment section. Thank you.